Over the last 10 years, I've reviewed dozens and dozens of saunas. It's been a very long time since I've been this impressed with the heat performance of a new sauna. Welcome to Rocky Mountain Saunas. Let's hop inside and check it out. We're supposed to be doing an unboxing right now, but we might have a wee bit of an interruption. When you guys said, hey Matt, why don't you put in an outdoor sauna, a cold plunge, and all these other things, I really wasn't counting on all of this. Check this out. Man, I like the contrast. These black metallic hinges.
Bro, those
grayed out hinges.
Freaking nice.
Get this out and I'll set it to the side.
Okay.
That's that full spectrum heater. But look how it's up high by the torso. That's pretty cool. So the only thing I don't like is that it's a frameless front wall. It's not my first frameless front wall. It's just a little bit of, awkward. So it's probably best the way that I grabbed it to not smush the door gasket like that. I think I shouldn't have done that. Here we go, ready? Real beefy.
What did you say? That's ½ inch?
Yeah, at least. That looks good. Whatever this finish is, looks great. There's another glass? Oh, wow, that looks sharp. That's really sharp. Ooh, look at this side.
Gosh.
Good.
Dang, bro.
Lord. Man, this is so hard to grab though without there being a frame around the window. Like, I don't want to grab it here. This is a magnetic seal, so I don't really want to crush this too much. This is really well built though. Like, look how tight the joints are. It looks good. This is a nice touch too. There's alternating doubles to single. It's kind of cool. I have no idea about the heaters. We'll have to try it out. Ooh, that is sleek look. Black is gonna show everything, and I mean everything. I don't know if I did that or if that was from the box. It's just like having a black car though. It's the pro and the cons. Like, it looks incredible. Oh, look at that. No MDF. Ready to take a look under the hood? Ooh, it's got the shielding. All the stuff. That's cool. Tiny little speakers though. I don't know if those are gonna be any good. Look at all the cabling though. The cabling is really well done. Wow, the sanding is really, 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 really smooth. Feel that. What the hell is that?
I don't know, but they made it sturdy enough, dude.
Yeah.
Good heavens, that's like actual 2x4s.
Ooh, I like that logo. Something about the Rocky Mountain Saunas. What the f is this? Oh,
What is that?
yeah. You don't know what you're looking at, do you? I don't think anyone else is gonna know either. That's why I was so confused, because when I first took it out of the box, we were looking at the back. This is the underside of the bench. I just didn't know it was the bench. This is only the second time I've ever seen this in the world. Not only does it have a bench heater in it, which other companies have, not very many, they made an open slat design so that as heat accumulation begins to build in this cavity, it's allowed to be released toward the top through the towels that you sit on directly toward your body. I bet this sauna absolutely screams as far as heat performance. A lot of people dog me out and they're like, oh Matt, you just like this and you just biased to this brand and that brand. Okay, but have you tried these things? because I've been harping on this for the last 4 years, maybe even 5, and no one seems to get it. I don't want to jump the gun, but I know what this is gonna do. We gotta try this. Let's get this put together and let me sweat in it. I'm just digesting what I'm looking at right now. I knew it was, and it has a floor heater. Shit.
You know what else I just noticed? It's wall on floor construction.
Yeah, baby. No floating floor. We'll like to see that. Check this out. What's this black metal trim? This looks to be grounded. I wonder how the EMF is gonna be. This is definitely grounded. Very, very nice. Man, let's get this thing put together. I wanna try it. I'm more excited to like see what they look like. This one I wanna try, like right now. I'm usually a fan of not having to use tools. I like slip latches and stuff, but in some cases, like we're on a sloped garage floor in here for drainage. Sometimes it is nice to have something that bolts together because it's a contrast, right? I immediately feel the tightness of the joints because as soon as we bolt this thing together, it's not gonna go anywhere. So as much as I don't wanna have to have like a drill, I mean, you don't need to use a drill, you can use a screwdriver, but let's put it together and we'll see what happens. The entire time this has been happening, this is a real testament to my ability to focus. Watch. When I go to push, I like the slip latches for ease of assembly, but something about something being bolted together, it's like you can really push on it and the whole unit stays as one. Let's fire it up for the first time. I just plugged it in. Let's see what we're in for. I don't actually know how to turn this on. Just press the R. Lights off, lights on, change the colors. Ooh, that's easy. Boy, I like the control panel. That's nice. Heaters. Whoa, set it to 175? What? Does it really get to 175? Just see how it heat cycles for the first time. Make sure it's set to max, which is 175. Countdown timer is started, 15 minutes. I'll just do a quick little spot check and make sure each heater is getting warm so I didn't miss a plug or something like that. I'm gonna have to look at this on the flare gun. At first I was kind of like, well, wait a minute. It doesn't have a calf heater. But now that I'm sitting in here, this thing is hot already. Put your hand in front of this. Yeah, so we traded this for this, and a lot of that, and then the rest is somewhat normal. What's it like to be in here? That is kinda cool. Wow. So you can get really good wraparound heat coverage, but it still feels kind of like open, almost like an all glass front. The only thing you're giving up is a little bit of heat right here, which looks like it would be made up for right here. So basically, if I sat like this thing is gonna cook. Look at this. What the hell's going on here? Tonight's gonna be the very first session in the Rocky Mountain one person. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I don't know if other people are gonna like this.
This full spectrum sauna heater in the front is just absolutely cranking. I've been in here for just under 20 minutes. Looks like I'm not sweating at all, right?